Hi, I'm Alexandra Newbould. I am a court sketch artist. It's been the most work I've done in any trial ever. I think it has to do with the high profile-ness of it and the fact that there's so many people in the actual trial. A lot of accused, a lot of lawyers, the Crown, there was a jury. It's just a lot. So I can kind of plan it out where the shadows are gonna go, and I do sort of a black and white version. After that, and I just start choosing my colors, pick out different brushes, and I start coloring it in. You definitely want to capture heated exchanges or controversial decisions that are being made. I do like to look at the little details, what people are wearing, their hairstyles, anything that I can capture to just add more information and more interest to the drawing. Anytime a lawyer brings out props, which doesn't happen a lot, but it seems like one of those classic dramatic trial things to do. So anytime that happens, I like to get that moment into. I always try to use contrast and lighting to bring your eye to the focal point of the drawing. This is another example of a moment that I captured. Lawyer Dan Brown was talking about Jaeger bombs and how much alcohol was or was not in the Jaeger bomb shots. You have to be very, very careful not to show anything about a complainant in that situation. I don't even really put skin color. I sort of put a line that suggests there's hair, but I don't even put the hairstyle. I just more try to capture the overall gesture of the body and the mood. Here's an example of a drawing of EM. I kind of more go into details of what's around with the water glass, and there was this ever-present box of Kleenex there. Those little details maybe give some humanity to the person, since we can't see her face, at least like you see like there's a person there. I was trained traditionally as an artist, so pencils, watercolors, oil painting. Obviously I'm working digitally, but I think it did influence sort of the way I work. Other people aren't sitting in the courtroom, but I am. I'm really happy to do it because I love to draw. I absolutely love what I do. I find it extremely interesting to sit in court and watch the legal proceedings. I'm very thankful that I can do it.